What's going on YouTube? Mitchy boy here, and I thought I'd just do a video about how to put the pizza onto the pizza stone in your oven without a pizza peel. So I just roll the pizza out on a breadboard. It's big enough, and you want some flour. You want to put some flour down before you roll it out, and then just before putting it into the oven, I just kind of like jiggle it around like this until you see the pizza start to slide back and forth. So it's kind of stuck, and then like that, so you know it's going to go in good. And then open the oven. Mine's not really hot enough yet, but I'm going to chuck it in anyway. Slide her on in, and then when I get it out with like some of these, like a fish fillet slice thing, whatever you call it.